I'm going back to the Philippines soon. And I'm very, very excited. Like, super, super excited. But, I'm scared. I'm so flippin' scared kasi meron kaming incident na na-offload kami before. Like, we're going to Taiwan, my whole family. Hindi naman ako yung na-offload. Actually, yung husband ko yung na-hold. Pero kasi, family trip siya eh. So, hindi na kami tumuloy lahat. And from then on, sobrang takot na ako pagdating sa Pilipinas. Alam mo yun? Anyway, so, ano kaya mga suggestions niyo na kailangan ko? Like, meron akong visa, obviously. Yung papasok sa Philippines, walang problema. Parang passport, e-travel, tapos visa. Okay na yun. I think. Tapos pagpalabas, yung iniisip ko, is it passport? Kailangan pa ba na e-travel? Obviously visa, CFO, which I think is ridiculous kasi nakapag-seminar na ako. Pero hindi kasi dumating yung sticker. Actually, dumating yung sticker pero hindi na kami nakatira dun sa lugar. And it's just a mess. And I'm requesting kung pwede na, alam mo yun, na basend na lang ng sticker. Kasi meron na naman ako. But, they won't allow it. And I have to go to Manila. And I'll be staying in Batangas, sometimes in Cavite, but mostly in Batangas. So much work, so I'm gonna have to do it. And hindi biro yung ticket namin mag-ina. So, please, help a girl out, help a kababayan out. Ano pa yung kailangan ko? Kasi pag hindi talaga natuloy, pag talaga hindi ako nakauwi, iiyak talaga ako sa air. Oh my gosh, no, I can't even think about it. Please, yun lang. Bye.